Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the ECU, also known as ECM DME or PCM. That's the engine computer on your Volkswagen first generation. Guys, stay with us, we'll explain where you can find that stuff. We're going to talk about that now. There will be different fuse boxes will be working. Make sure to stay until the end. Please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. And after that, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, guys, we will share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So guys, for the ECU, also known as ECM or DME PCM, guys, which fuses relays we need to check, will be working different fuse boxes. Make sure to stay until the end. There will be some differences for the different years. First box facing the engine on the right side here, that's on the driver's side. We have the main engine fuse box. Slide these things to the front, leave the cover up, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay? They look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Guys, multiple fuses will need to be checked here. You may have all of them or some of them, depending on which year, model, and configuration engine you have as well. First one is fuse number 10, right here. The fuse numbers will be listed next to the fuses, okay. Facing the engine will be on the left side of the fuse. Okay, number 10 is the first fuse, then we go to fuse number 13, right here, check that one. Then we need to locate fuse number 14, right there, fuse number 14, 15, will need to be checked. Some of you may have fuse number 16, if you have it, check it. Fuse number 17 is another one. Then you go to fuse number 18. And we have two more, which are, by the way, fuse number 23 and 24 right here. Now, these two relays will need to be checked as well. But, guys, that's for 2012 to 2017 year model Volkswagen Tiguan. If you have a 2008 to 2011, the fuse box will differ. Okay, you have that fuse box layout right here. And specifically here, guys, we'll need to check some different fuses. One of them, okay, now will be known as fuse number 10, which will be right here, fuse number 10. Then we need to check fuse number again 13, 14 and 15. So that's 13, 14, 15. These three fuses here will need to be checked. After that we go to fuse number 20. And fuse number 20, you may have that fuse right here. 21 will need to be checked right here. Then you need to go 23 and 24. Very important fuses, guys. And these two relays will need to be checked too. But we're not ready, we need to come inside. Inside the car, we have 3 more fuses that we need to check. Okay, they're next to each other. We will explain about that now and which fuses we're talking about. Come here, guys. Okay, let me turn the light on. You see next to the driver's side, next to the steering wheel on the driver's side, you have a hidden fuse box here. Check out the video about Volkswagen Tiguan fuse box location and diagram. It would talk about all the hidden fuses and relays in your car as well. Here, guys, we need to check fuse number now. 13 is the first fuse, so coming in that row, that's right here. That's fuse number 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. These 3 fuses will need to be checked as well. Now, if you keep having problems with the engine computer, guys, what do you guys need to do? Okay, if you have bad engine computer, you may have the engine computer removed. What do we do usually? Send it to a place where they rebuild them. We usually get it on eBay, the service. They open the computer, fix it, send it back to you, and when you install it, you don't even have to program it. You don't have to worry about buying a new expensive computer, and it's just a plug and play. We often fix that problem with bad engine computers that way too. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.